I'm greeting you on our channel, my just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today I will help you get the biggest bonus up to $520 for sport bonus, and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code. Our first step, for this we need to download the application from the official site. In the description you can find our actual promo codes. Next step, after loading the application, we are going to this app, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important, guys, for get the biggest bonus up. And if you want to receive a huge bonus every time when you want it, you need to register the new account every time with our actual promo code, which you can find in our description. Next step, tap registration. In menu registration you can see 4 variants. Today I will tell you about all 4 variants of registration. And the during of our video, in the right corner you will see the green check mark. What you need to do with this green check mark, I will tell you in the end of our video, and you will know what happened when you tap on this. Let's start from in one click. Current country is your current country. Mine is Canada. Current value US dollar. Your select your bonus on sports if you bet on the sports, and on casino if you playing casino. Accept. Enter the working promo code is ZANOS24 and accept all the rules. Our second variant, by phone. Enter your actual phone number, code of your current country, current value US dollar. Working promo code is ZANOS24. ZA. Select your bonus on sports or casino. Accept and accept all the rules. Third variant, full registration. Surname, for example, Bobby, and first name, for example, Bobby. Current country, Canada. Mine is Canada. Your current country is your country. Region, city or town, and date of their birth. Current value to US dollar. In account settings, your actual email address. Enter this, your phone number, and enter your password. So you can copy it and paste in the field of repeat passwords. Actual promo code is ZANOS24. Select your bonus on sports or casino and receive news and outcomes. Final step, via social media, choose your social network, current country, current value to US dollar, select your bonus, and enter your promo code is ZANOS24. Next, tap on the green check mark and you will see on your screen actual login and passwords. I recommend you to change it or screenshot this for your pleasure for you didn't lose your big bonus. Finally, go to account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments, I will definitely answer them. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support. Goodbye and good luck to all, have fun.